Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for ArcGIS Desktop Associate. So let's get started. Question number 1, define GIS design. Your answer is, GIS design constitutes the organization of geographic information into a series of data themes, layers that are integrated with the use of the geographic location. Thus, the geodatabase design begins with the identification of the data themes that are to be used, followed by specifying the contents and representations of each thematic layer. Question number 2, what is metadata? Your answer is, well, metadata is the information that describes items in ArcGIS. When care is taken so as to provide good descriptions, one can find suitable items with a search, and evaluate which of the items in the search results is the correct one to use. Question number 3, mention the types of raster data. Your answer is, the 3 types of raster data stored in a geodatabase are 1. Raster datasets, 2. Catalogs, 3. Raster as attributes. Question number 4, explain vector and raster data. Your answer is, vector data makes use of the x and y coordinates to define the locations of points, lines, and areas corresponding to map features like trails, fire hydrants, and parcels. However, raster data uses a matrix of square areas in order to define where the features are located. Question number 5, what are feature classes? Your answer is, feature classes are the sets of geographic features that share the same geometry type like point, line, or polygon and the same attribute fields for a common area. Some examples of feature classes are streets, parcels, well points, soil types, and census tracts. Question number 6, explain the term geodatabase. Your answer is, the term geodatabase refers to the native data structure for ArcGIS, and is the fundamental data format that is used for data management and editing. While ArcGIS works with geographic information in various GIS file formats, it's framed so as to work with and leverage the capabilities of the geodatabase. Question number 7, what do you mean by database management? Your answer is, database management is basically the actions taken by a business in order to manipulate and control data so as to meet the required conditions throughout the entire data lifecycle. Question number 8, what does 2D and 3D data refer to? Your answer is, the 3D models include various types of data whereas 2D models can accommodate 2 dimensions only, while 3D models also account for depth. Moreover, it's quite easy to include several other types of information in a 3D model, like details about costs or utility lines. Question number 9, define geoprocessing. Your answer is, geoprocessing is a GIS operation that is used for manipulating data. Usually, a geoprocessing operation takes an input dataset then performs an operation on that dataset, and ultimately returns the result of the operation as an output dataset, also known as derived data. Question number 10, what can we do with ArcGIS Pro? Your answer is, with the help of ArcGIS Pro, we can 1. Visualize, explore, and analyze the data. 2. Create 2D maps and 3D scenes. 3. Share our work with our ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise portal. Question number 11, what does data manipulation refer to? Your answer is, data manipulation is the procedure of adjusting data so as to make it organized, and comparatively easier to read and understand. Moreover, data manipulation language that is DML is a programming language that adjusts data by inserting, eliminating, and modifying data in a database so as to cleanse or map the data. Question number 12, what is data visualization? Your answer is, data visualization is basically the graphical representation of data and information. Subsequently, with the use of visual elements such as graphs, charts, and maps, data visualization tools give an accessible way of viewing and understanding outliers, trends, and patterns in data. Question number 13, what is the importance of data visualization? Your answer is, data visualization is reasonably important as it provides us a clear idea of the meaning of information, by giving it visual context via maps or graphs. Therefore, it makes the data more natural for people to comprehend, and hence makes it easier to identify patterns, trends, and outliers within large datasets. Question number 14, what is data sharing? Your answer is: data sharing is the process of making data that is useful for scholarly research available to other investigators. Moreover, it may be restricted to safeguard institutions and scientists from using data for political purposes. Question number 15. What is a feature layer in ArcGIS Pro? Your answer is: a feature layer is basically a grouping of similar kinds of geographic features, like buildings, cities, parcels, roads, and earthquake epicenters, etc. Moreover, these features can be points, lines, or polygons. These are most appropriate for visualizing data on top of the base maps. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.